Google Pay now works with Cash App in a way that you can directly use your Google Pay wallet to top up your Cash App balance or to add money to your Cash App balance, and the steps are pretty easy. I'll be showing you these steps right after the intro. Of course, you need to make sure that you already have a Google Pay wallet set up. It is very easy to set up, and if you haven't done so yet, I'll provide a link in the video description to these steps that you can just simply follow to have your Google wallet up and running on your account. So after you're done with setting up your Google Pay on your phone, on your Android device, it is now time to use it to add funds to your Cash App account. Okay, and to do that, you just need to open your Cash App mobile app and go to the money tab. From there, you want to click on add money, and then you choose the amount that you want to add. Okay, you can customize the amount, anything of your liking. And then after that, you should see an option there, Google Pay or Apple Pay. So you want to select Google Pay as your payment method, and you have to enter your PIN to verify that it is actually you that is carrying out this transaction, or that you are authorized on behalf of the actual owner to carry out this transaction. And once you've done these steps, it's just going to take a few seconds for your money to be transferred from your Google Pay wallet to your Cash App account balance. And from there now, you can use your money in your balance, in your Cash App balance, to do whatever thing you want to do, going for making payments or even to sending payments to other users, or even making online purchases with your balance. Previously, you were only able to add your Cash App card to your Google Pay wallet to use it directly from there, but now you can seamlessly transfer money between these two applications, which is actually great for all of us. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell below to not miss my upcoming content. I'll catch you in the next episode.